Welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel. Yes. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. And if you have been with me all this while, thank you for staying with me, okay? I just want to talk to us briefly due to popular request. Yes, I uploaded a video recently and I talked about spiritual wife, three types. Spiritual husband, three types of spiritual husband. Yes, and I've been receiving series of messages, saying that I was only referring to the women, that I did not take care of the men's aspect. What about the spiritual wife? Guys, spiritual wife, spiritual husband is the same thing. So, but let me tell you one thing. If you are a man, or you have a brother, because you might be a woman watching this video today, if you have a brother or you have a son, yes, that is suffering from spiritual wife attack, you will know by some things. There are some things that will be some symptoms, yes. And one of the problems we have in this life is that we treat symptoms and not the cause. Spirituality, when you uproot the cause of your problem from the root, the top will wither out. Yes, it will grind to a stop. That is why I used to tell those who called me on one-on-one, I used to tell them that spirituality is like a rolling fan. For example, if your fan is rolling and you want to turn off the fan, are you going to hold the blades? No, you will turn off the fan from the switch. And by the time you switch off the fan from the switch, will the rolling fan, stop rolling immediately? No. It will grind, it will be rolling like this, then it will start moving gradually, then it will come to a stop. Yes, so that is how it is. Everything in life is that way. Spirituality has roots, they have causes. When you are treating the symptoms, you say, my son, you are a mother, your son is of marriageable age, or your brother, you are a good lady, your brother is of marriageable age and he is not married. He will be disappointing women, or women will be disappointing him. You'll be having some kind of obnoxious taste. You say this one is not tall, this one is too fat, this one is too thin, this one is this one is overeducated, this one is illiterate, this one is only him. Every woman has there's no human being that does not have complaint. Yes, you just have to overlook some aspect and accept the person the way they are. Yes, so when you are suffering from spiritual wife, there are things that that will show in your life that you are suffering from spiritual wife. Spiritual wife is very deadly. Yes, women are very jealous. Even the spirit is also jealous. Yes, you are a man, you marry this wife, she will die. You marry another one, she will die. Your wives keep dying, and then your people will be saying you are using them for ogwego. You are using them for money ritual, not knowing that it is Agadi Nwanyi that is inside your house that is killing any woman. She's not actually inside your house per se. When I'm saying house, I'm referring to you, your body. You understand? So, if you are having this kind of problem, you have spiritual wife problem. Setback, that one is for sure. Limitation, disappointment, failure, near success syndrome. You're working on something. You're working on a project. Others are succeeding. Your own will always be story all the time. You will buy goods, your container, the ship will sink. or custom will hijack it, or something will happen like that. You are suffering from spiritual wife attack. Yes. No woman is good enough for you. You know why? Because this woman you are seeing in the spirit is the best. She looks perfect. She's everything. So in the physical, you would build this kind of taste that no woman can meet. They cannot meet your criteria. Yes, you are suffering from spiritual wife attack. You get married, maybe when you were a young guy, ladies were getting pregnant for you, like hit and run, like maybe just want to like go and do exercise, want to go and do press up, free press up. You go somewhere, you do press up, they'll follow you with pregnancy. You say, no, it's not me. You better go and look for the other. You better look for the father of the child, of the bastard you are carrying. The lady will go back home. Her parent will help her to abort the baby, or she will go and abort the baby. You are now childless, isn't it? You're bouncing, you're going, you're a guy, you're a happening guy. You know what you are doing. You get married. By the time you finally settle down, the spiritual wife will remove your sperm count. You will remove your sperm in the spirit realm. So what you have here is just semen or liquid or something. So as it's coming out, your sperm will suddenly become watery. You cannot impregnate any woman. Yes, because spiritual wife that you have will not allow you to impregnate any woman. Yes, so you'll be going from one church to the other, from one mountain of different mountains, looking for the fruit of the womb or how your wife will get pregnant. You'll be suffering from that. Spiritual wife can also render you, in fact, impotent. Yes, you can only make love in the dream, but in the physical, you cannot gain erection. Or your erection will start going gradually. Before you know it, your workman will become very weak. You will not be able to jog in any valley, no matter how enticing it is. You're suffering from spiritual wife. But now, this is just a tip of the iceberg of the symptoms of spiritual wife. You understand? Problem. If you are suffering from this spiritual wife, it is not just ordinary spiritual wife. There are 3 types of spiritual wives. We have the ordinary spiritual wife, we have witchcraft spiritual wife, and we have family idol spiritual wife. So whichever one you're having, it is dangerous. It makes you poor, it makes you broke, makes you not to progress. Yes, and so on and so forth. So if you are facing this problem, you can seek help. You can seek the face of the Lord for deliverance. You can do your self-deliverance. You can also seek for a higher level of spirituality to set yourself free from this kind of problem. Guys, I want to stop here. Please, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, and then please stay with us. Thank you. God bless.
Simple solutions to life.